Turkiye is reportedly moving anti-aircraft missile systems to an airbase in Palmyra, central Syria, to begin integrating the brotherly country into the Turkish Steel Dome air defense grid, which will fully deny the Syrian airspace to Israeli aircraft once complete. The Turkish armed forces have begun deploying at the T-4 military base in the rural area of Homs, Syria. This involves a large contingent of military equipment from Turkish security and armed forces. The Turkish Armed Forces, TAF, will deploy Hisar air defense missile systems and unmanned aerial vehicles at the T-4 base. The air defense system created by the TAF will be multi-layered and effective at medium and long ranges. The air defense system at the base is expected to act as a barrier against Israeli airstrikes in Syria.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.